Greetings, fellow muckers. Today, we're going to be working on the derivative of sine and cosine. The derivative of sine of x is equal to cosine of x. The derivative of cosine of x is equal to negative sine of x. We're going to be using these two derivatives in the following problem. The problem, we need to calculate dy of dx for the following functions. In part A, y is equal to e to the 2x times cosine of x. And in part B, sine of x minus x times cosine of x. Now pause this video, take a few minutes, and solve this problem. Welcome back. Hopefully you're able to solve this problem. Now let's work on it together. So in part A, we need to find the derivative of y is equal to e to 2x cosine of x. So to do this, we need to use the product rule. If we use the product rule, we'll get dy dx is equal to, let's just use f of x, so e to the 2x times the derivative of cosine of x, which is going to be negative sine of x. So we get negative e to 2x plus, and then we get, what's the derivative of e to the 2x? That's going to be 2 e to 2x, and then cosine of x. And then can we simplify this? Yes, we can. We can take out e to the 2x on both sides of the addition. So we get simplified e to the 2x. Then we can have cosine of x. Oh, this 2 cosine of x minus sine of x. And that is going to be our simplified derivative for part A. That is a solution. E to the 2x times, in parentheses, 2 to the 2 times cosine of x minus sine of x. Now, in part B, we need to find the derivative of sine of x of y equal to sine of x minus x cosine of x. So to do this, we also need to use the product rule on the right-hand side of the subtraction. So we get dy dx is going to be equal to cosine of x minus, and now we need to use the product rule. So let's do that. We'll get minus x sine of x. So if we take the derivative of cosine of x first, plus cosine of x, because the derivative of x is 1. So we're just left with cosine of x. Now if we distribute our negative sign across, we'll get equal to cosine of x plus x sine of x minus cosine of x. If you take a look at that, our cosines will cancel out since we have one positive cosine of x and one negative. So the derivative for sine of x minus x cosine of x is just x sine of x. And that is going to be our solution for part B. I hope this video helped. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you.